back to another vlog. Holy shit, it's cold, man. As soon as it hits under 70 degrees in California, it's considered fucking cold. Oh man, can never get tired of seeing this beautiful car. Sheesh. Look at you. Let's go ahead and have a quick little cold start. Alright guys, so for today's video, it's going to be something short, but it's something that a lot of people have been requesting, and that is a list of my body kit. So I'm going to go ahead and break down all the body kit parts that I have in my car. So here we go. Starting off with the front bumper. I got this from Outcast Garage. It's a VIS Aztec front bumper. This one is fiberglass. The hood, I got that from my boy, but it's a VIS GT Terminator hood. Carbon, of course. The fenders, these are RS2 partial carbon wide fenders from Fly One Motorsports. The side skirts, these are from KVD. I'm not sure what the name is, but here's how they look. It's the one that they have in display in Mike's car, so that helps. The duckbill, I got it from my boy as well. I believe it's called a Ings +1 duckbill. I'll go ahead and put it on the screen somewhere. The rear bumper, I got this from somebody on Craigslist. It's a charge speed bumper, but I'm not sure what company made it. And that's pretty much it on the exterior body kit parts. If you guys want to know more about the car, just go ahead and let me know on what else you would like to know about the car. I know this is a pretty short video, but I had to make it that way I don't have to keep typing it for people that DM me on it. I can just send in this video and it'll make it easier for them to figure out what's on my car. That aside though, what would you guys like to see on the Z next, and what do you guys think about the Z so far? Let me know in the comments down below. I will say this though, if you guys are thinking about getting the fenders, they will be going on sale for Black Friday, so keep a lookout on that. Go ahead and follow Fly One Motorsports on Instagram and Carbon Plug on Instagram. They'll give you more details on how to get the discount. It should be coming up soon, so just follow them and keep an eye out. As for the other things, check out Outcast. They have a lot of body kits that you may want to look at and might be curious to buy. I'm not sure about their Black Friday sales, but like I said, just look around. There's different companies, different websites having different sales, so you could hopefully find something for the right price or for a steal price. I know Airlift Performance as well is having a sale. They're doing 10% off right now for Black Friday. I'm not sure how long it lasts. I think it lasts until like the end of December. If I were to say what's my favorite part on this car, on the exterior, I would have to say that duckbill. I think that's my favorite. It's either that or the fenders. Those two are like the best thing in my car. Like my favorite exterior mod. But not saying I don't like anything else in the car. I like everything on the car, but those are like my two little favorite ones. I love the rear bumper. I'm telling you, I love the whole car. If I were to pick one, if I had to, yeah, it'd be probably the duckbill. It just changes the whole rear end of the car. Sheesh. But yeah, I'm gonna cut it short, guys. Sorry about that. I don't want to just put random bullshit. You know, went straightforward to what I wanted to do in this video, and hopefully helps out some of you guys. And until next time, guys, catch you guys in the next video. Bye.